All right, so to get started with Google, we're going to go over just sort of the basics of what we have. Then we'll see what we might start doing with some of those things. So head over to google.com, and that will take you to this screen. When you first get here, if you've never signed in before, there'll be a blue sign in button up here in the corner, but I'm already signed in with my district account, so that's already there. This is the Google homepage, and this is where you can get to anything Google. Here is like your big starting point. So this little 3x3 grid will open all of the different Google apps that we have available. You can then see this is what we have access to. The ones that will probably get the most use out of are Drive, which is like a cloud storage thing, which means sort of a backup of all your things. It's all stored online. The advantage of that is that you access it by signing into your Google account from any computer or any device. So if you have a document and you want to edit it on your iPad, just sign into Google Drive on your iPad and you'll open the document and edit it there. And then when you're done, it will save, and then you can come back to your computer, sign into your Google account, go to your Google Drive, and you'll have the updated version. So it takes care of all that working back and forth between different devices. It's also really handy if you get a new computer or your computer dies or anything. If you have all your stuff on Google Drive, all you have to do is sign in and it's all still right there. But that's your main area where you'll get most of your files. Google Calendar is really great. Your site principal may have already set up your school calendar there, which is nice because you can change different permissions, so you can let different people edit different calendars. And then down here you have all of like your office type applications. Google Docs is kind of like Microsoft Word, lets you create just text documents. Google Sheets is like a spreadsheet program, kind of like Excel. And then Google Slides is like PowerPoint. It's a slideshow presentation program. So those are the ones that you'll mainly use. Drive, Docs, Sheets and Slides, Calendar, and eventually all of our district mail will be moved over to Gmail. You can still use your stamp mail program for that stuff. So those are the main apps. If you click on more or scroll down, you can see there are even more in here. So those are your others. There are even more there, but we don't need to get into all of those. So that's how to get around Google.